Hello, welcome back to another video. With my friend Marley. Say hi.
Hey.
Yeah, she's with me in real life this time. Okay.
Yeah.
So I just want to show you a little exploit I made called bluack for blue and black.
I have no clue why this man has done something.
Yeah, but here we go. And everything is black and blue except up here and the little outlines, which that's okay. Well, because most of it is like this, you know. So first we have the inject boot on, the open boot on, the clear boot on, and the execute boot on. And then we have where you put your scraps in.
Look, that's a script right there.
Yeah.
The best script in the world.
Yeah, it's like awesomely coolish. Ish. Or
Or is he?
Oh my.
Oh.
So if you want me to publish this and make it work, put it in the description below.
Description.
Comment below. Like, subscribe, comment, and then
It's the morning, okay? Give us a break.
Then I'll have enough confidence to be able to eat my confidence.
I understand.
Yes. So here is where it is, and yes, I hope y'all enjoyed. And if you want me to publish it, go ahead and put it in the description, comments below. Bye, guys.